over to the national capital. There are more than 3,400 cases in Delhi, the third highest in the country. The government has now marked 100 hotspots in the national capital. Here's an India Today ground report from Shaheen Bagh and Sadar Bazaar particularly.
The Shaheen Bagh area of South Delhi is now a hotspot. This is the area which saw massive Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act protests earlier. Right now on the road, police barricades are there. They're stopping people, checking their documents, and only then permitting them to go. All shops on the roads are shut. But look beyond these barricades, and you will see movement in these lanes, and this, according to officials in the government, is a cause for serious concern. This is an area, a block here has been declared a hotspot because, according to officials, people are still not maintaining social distancing either here or in several localities like this. People still coming out of their homes, congregating, interacting with each other, and this is exactly what the government says should not happen. Shaheen Bagh is now a hotspot amidst reports that even after government said there should be social distancing, the protests here continued. There were also reports to indicate that members of the Tablighi Jamaat Markaz came here, stayed here. That's a matter of investigation at this point of time, but this isn't the only hotspot in Delhi. From Shaheen Bagh, let me now take you to some of the other hotspots. Over 100 hotspots in Delhi. Both neighboring Haryana and earlier Uttar Pradesh have blamed Delhi for not doing enough to contain the spread of COVID-19. Both have said that COVID-19 cases are coming in Ghaziabad, Noida or Faridabad from Delhi because of Delhi. Delhi government says we are doing all that we can do. There are some hotspots, trouble spots like Shaheen Bagh today or Jahangirpuri, for example, earlier, where social distancing norms are not being followed despite all efforts being made to drill it into the heads of people living there. Let's take you to the other hotspot. Delhi Police, Dil Ki Police. This is the new slogan, and it actually comes true. I mean, look at what is happening here. A holster usually holds a weapon, but right now it holds the weapon that will save you in the war against coronavirus. This holster is holding a sanitizer. With me is Constable Sandeep of the Sadar Bazaar Police. He's distributed over 2,000 masks and also PPE kits to police personnel and other corona warriors. Sandeep, आप अपनी तनख्वाह से ये चश्मा, मास्क और पीपी किट दे रहे हैं?
यस सर, मैं अपनी तरफ से जितना भी से कोशिश हो रही है, मैं मदद करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ ताकि हमारे देश वाले, हमारे जितने भी पुलिस पर्सन हैं वो सब सुरक्षित रहे इस महामारी से।
ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है जो आप ये कर रहे हैं। With me is also the ACP of the Sadar Bazaar area, ACP Kalaivanan. Sir, tell us what's the situation in Sadar in this containment zone?
So the situation in Sadar Bazaar is right now very controlled. We have given timings for this area, 7 to 10 in the morning and 2 to 6 in the evening. Beyond this timing, no shops are open and it is going on very well.
Now, Mr. Ashok Kumar is the SHO of this area. और अशोक जी, समस्या ये भी हो रही है कि चाहे सड़कों पर तो आप लोगों को अंदर कर देते हैं, क्या गलियों में अभी भी लोग निकल रहे हैं और क्या इसकी वजह से कोरोना वायरस के केसेस
नहीं? गलियों में भी लोग अब नहीं निकल रहे हैं, अब समझ रहे हैं और अंदर ही रह रहे हैं, अपने घर के अंदर ही रह रहे हैं। और हमने मोबाइल मोटरसाइकिल रख रखे हैं, उसके ऊपर हमने लाउड स्पीकर दे रखे हैं और हमारे जवान जो है पूरा पीपी जैकेट से लैस होकर गलियों में भी एडवर्टाइज कर रहे हैं, उनको समझा रहे हैं, उनको बता रहे हैं, तो लोग काफ़ी कंट्रोल हो रहे हैं।
Delhi police personnel risking their lives, and look at both these personnel of the Delhi police wearing personal protection equipment so that they can send across this message. Coronavirus is the killer, and every individual needs to fight this together by maintaining one, social distancing, and two, extremely important, staying indoors. With cameraman Kripal Singh at the Sadar Bazaar hot zone in Delhi, Gaurav Sawant for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.